holds this club together isn't about love or brotherhood anymore. It's just fear and greed now. Clay's days are numbered. When he loses sway, I'm done with Sam Crow. Start fresh somewhere. Be a real family.
Hey!
500K, I'll have a coat ready for you for the run back. I want to get it back. I don't want to walk away with nothing.
I love you, brother, but I love this club more. You have someone on the inside.
You hiding something from me? Oh, this scares me.
I need your word. You let me walk away.
Sons of Anarchy, Season 4. Look for it on Blu-ray and DVD.